So everything went okay on the way to Ban Lung, but the one thing I worried about the most actually happened, and that is that the shock absorber of my bike had broken and started screeching and squealing, and so I had to take it to this shop here, but they fixed it very nicely and it's all good now. So our first major breakdown has been fixed and the bike is up and running. I've been staying at a very nice hotel with reasonable price because it's the middle of the week and we have a view of the lake. Take a look at this. And it's something I really like. The pool is something I need, and whenever possible, I use it. And pretty soon I'm gonna jump into it anyway. So far, Ban Lung is a lovely place to visit. The prices are reasonable. They are probably a bit cheaper than in most parts of Cambodia, and I like that as well. And this province is the most sparsely populated province in all of Cambodia, and which is quite surprising actually, because it's one of the nicest as well. Well, I am here, no regrets coming here, and I'll see what else I can find out in this town. So far, very good. Ban Lung is a really lovely place. Here we have a big lake right behind our hotel. And this is our pool and the hotel. And now, if this had been really expensive, I wouldn't be showing you that, because I'm not the kind of tourist who goes around and spends a lot of money on expensive hotels. I don't believe in that. But when you can get something like this for a very good price, you know, and I'm talking at least during the weekday for $20 with a beautiful view of the lake and a nice swimming pool like this, not the cleanest thing, but it's swimmable. I think that's a very good deal, and in a laid back location like this, yeah, it's all good. Morning from Banglung, RATANAKIRI. My first full day in town, and I start off with a lovely breakfast in the Green Carrot restaurant, a lovely place with bamboo furniture and excellent food. And once I finish my breakfast, I'll set out to explore this town a bit more. I'm standing at the side of a lake, and my hotel is right there behind, right there in the middle. And check out this water. It's very clear. There is little fish and all sorts of plankton swimming about. It's a very, very clear water. Take away the fallen leaves and it's totally crystal clear. So this is Banglung for you. It's a lovely town. It has lakes, it has hills, it has hill tribes, it has lush greenery and beautiful scenery all around. So I think I made the right decision by coming here, and it was made on a whim. As soon as my friend told me to check this out, I redirected my bike, and from Kratje I went with only one stopover in Stun Trang, which I also liked. So here we are in Banglung, a hill station, home to many tribes who live nearby, and it's a worthwhile stop for anyone, I think. Just take a look at it. It's tranquil, it's quiet, it's clean, just a joy. I'm at the city's limit. This is, I believe, the road 78, which leads to Mandulkiri, and we are leaving. We are on the outer edges of the city of Banglung, and the hills that you can see behind in the distance, that's where all the fun starts. That's where some of the hill tribe, the ethnic minorities, live, and that I will explore on another occasion. And in the meantime, I just wanted to show you the way out of town. It's such a lovely morning. Check it out. We are leaving the city limits here. I think I managed to stop right in front of the police headquarters. Don't think they've noticed me, thank God. So I'm gonna turn the bike around now, put my helmet on and get back to the city. And here is a school in the background. They have plenty of schools around, I noticed, both universities and elementary schools. It's a lovely town. And you see, there is a sign in the background that says you are leaving Banglung city, right in front of that motorbike guy. So I have come completely to the outskirts of town. But it's time to turn around and head back now. An early morning school time in the provincial town just outside of Bangling. Looks very charming, like the rest of the town. And this is the central roundabout, the very heart of the city, right behind me. And this is where all the major roads meet. This way is the main market. That's the market area where all the shops, restaurants and taxis are located. And this street leads to the west. That's a highway number 78. This road here leads to the lake where I'm staying, and that road leads to the west. It's a continuation of highway 78. I have no idea how far it leads, but behind there you can see the hills, the hillside, and the tribes. Various ethnic minorities live back in those hills, and I'm planning to go and check them out when the time is right. So we are at the heart of lovely Bangling. Guys, we are in the center of all the action. This is the central market, and like in all Cambodian towns, is where it's all happening. You can find whatever you need, and it's bustling with life, and I just love the ambience of these markets. I like the feel of it. You can find everything here, from socks to gold. They've got everything in here. Anything you want in terms of clothes. So, bags, luggage, whatever you want, you most likely find in this place. Check it out. And I like the atmosphere. It's always friendly, people gossip together, talking, meeting friends. And it's pretty big too. At the moment I don't really need anything, if I remember correctly, but if I do, the market would be something to consider. And we are in the food section. You get meat, vegetables, anything you like. And we are on the other side of the market. I have not even been here yet. Seafood. Well, haven't been in this part of town yet. Well, there's the market. Now I'm looking for a cup of coffee somewhere. So hopefully we find something around here. I'm at a Banglung Park, a smallish but very well kept and nice, beautiful central city park. And here behind us is a monument to the Cambodian-Vietnam friendship and the development of the Cambodian people and state. And as you all know, it was the Vietnamese army that finally liberated Cambodia from the genocidal rule of the Khmer Rouge. So I think a fitting monument to that, as well as the friendship and cooperation between the two countries. We've got some interesting pagoda here as well. A fountain. And pretty nice landscaping job. It's really well maintained, and I always get the impression that this city is slightly different from most Cambodian cities. Not that it is better kept, but it has the hill station feel to it. The altitude, it's not that much difference, but you can feel it at night. The temperature changes markedly. It's really cool at night, so much so that if you don't cover up, you'll surely be cold. We got a nice Buddha statue with an elephant. It's very, very nicely kept park. I think it's gorgeous. Look at how well landscaped it is. Watered regularly. Very nice place to hang out actually, if you are a local. And I'm the visiting tourist, but enjoy it just as well. Look at it. Really, really nice, well-kept park in a hill station type of town. Today I'm mostly roaming around town, but maybe another day I will make a small trip outside the city itself and hopefully maybe get as far, either boat trip or see some tribal people. So this is our central park.